Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're going to be installing our truck bed extender. Now it fits a variety of trucks. Today we're going to install it on this Toyota Tundra. Let's go over what's included. First up, we've got our extension rails, 2 per side. Then we've got our support bracket, our backing plate, our cover plate, and all the necessary installation hardware. We're going to start by installing our backing plates on our cover plate. These are the backing plates. They are attached with the provided hardware. The button head Allen simply drop in the holes on the cover and screw into the backing plates. The backing plates are designed to slide into the channels on the rails, both front and rear. So we're going to put 4 of the backing plates on, 1 in each corner of the cover plate. Screw the Allen bolts into them, leave them loose so they can slide onto the rails. And now I'll do the same for the back plate. And the same for the support plates. While we're at the support plate, we'll go ahead and install our pivot point hardware, both sides. And now we'll go ahead and install our rubber feet onto our backing plate. Now we're going to attach our extension rails to our cover plate and our backing plate. Slide in just like that. Now we'll go ahead and install our straps onto the top rail. These will actually click into the tailgate once the extender is folded out. Just slide those forward, about right there. Do it on both sides. Once we've got those on, we can go ahead and install our support brackets. Those are going to slide on the same way as the cover bracket and the back bracket did. We'll simply slide those into place right here at the end. We're not going to tighten anything down just yet. We're going to check for fitment, and then we'll tighten everything down. But once we've got these installed, we can go ahead and install our end cap covers. We'll go ahead and get these support brackets tightened down. You just want to make sure you've got even spacing, top and bottom, the same on both sides. Now we're going to go ahead and install our bed brackets. The kit comes with a template. I've got that taped in place. It also comes with the proper size drill bit. I'm going to take a center punch, mark our locations on the bed, drill those out, and we'll install the brackets. And now we will install the bedside bracket. We'll repeat the process on the other side. Now we can set our bed extender onto the brackets, and in place we can finalize our width and crank everything down and complete this easy installation. I like that. Looks good. Make sure everything's nice and centered, which it is. Now we'll tighten everything down. And that's all it takes to install our bed extender in your truck. Whether you have longer cargo and you need the bed extended, or you've got smaller items you need to keep contained in the bed, either way, this is a product for you. And with the MOLLE panels, you can install any one of our MOLLE mounts for a variety of options as far as accoutrements to install front or rear. The MOLLE panel also seconds as a great attachment point for your ratchet straps or bungee cords. So if you're ready to get even more out of your pickup truck's bed, check out our bed extender, available today at roughcountry.com.